Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting an easy lotus drawing and coloring. So let us start step by step. For this you will require material like drawing file, pencil and eraser, oil pastel crayons, poster paints, brushes, water, plate for mixing paints and some salt. So first draw the center petal using dark pink crayon as shown in the image. Add one petal on each side of the center petal as shown in the image. Draw 3 petals at the bottom. Add more petals, add small petals at the back. Use dark green oil pastel and draw a big oval shaped leaf below the lotus. Add 1 or 2 leaves in the background. Color the inner parts of the petals with dark pink oil pastel as shown in the image. Color the upper part of the petals with light pink oil pastel, mixing it well with dark pink. Use light pink on the small petals at the back. Similarly, use dark green oil pastel to color the inner part of the leaves as shown in the image. Color the remaining part of the leaves with the light green oil pastel, mixing it well with dark green. Take a small bowl of water and add some blue paint to it. The blue paint should be watery. Use a flat brush and paint the background blue. While the background is wet, sprinkle some salt over it. Salt will soak the water, leaving behind some texture. Once the water has dried, dust off the salt and you will be able to see the texture. So this is our final lotus drawing. So friends, if you like the video, then please like and share the video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.